To access the data logs or the remote view on our data acquisition unit, you'll need an Ethernet cable. We're going to plug that into the lowest Ethernet port on our DAC device, and then take the other end and plug it into your computer. Now, with our computer hooked up, let's follow the instructions printed on the side of the data acquisition unit to set up our IP address. We're going to navigate to our system settings, and then to our network, and then our Ethernet settings. From here, select Change Adapter Options, and then select the Ethernet port we are connected with. In here, click on Properties, and then Internet Protocol version 4, and then Properties once more. In these two boxes, let's input the IP address and subnet mask printed on the label. Once you have that, click OK, close out of these settings windows, and open up a new browser window. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. In the search bar, let's type in the IP address that's printed on the bottom of the label. It's going to be 192.168.1.226. Then here's our web server. Initially, we have two options. We can view our data logs or access the remote view. Let's click into View Logs. We've got two outputs for each configuration of our benchtop system. One is going to be for metric and one for standard. In any of these, we can open it up. This folder will hold 1 week's worth of data, and each file contains 1 day worth of data. To download it, simply click on it, and you can save it from here. Back to our home screen. Let's access our remote view. This is what the initial window will look like. It's got an option for each configuration. In each configuration, you can open it up. It'll have a display that matches the front panel of your benchtop unit. Each of these readings will populate with what your display or unit has, and you can switch between metric units and standard units, or jump into the trend lines window, which will show you how your data is behaving over time. Back to our main menu, the only one that's going to be different is our convertible. This has 2 units, so to switch between our high pressure display and our low pressure display, just click on the feed button on the right side. That'll take you to the low pressure side, and to return back to the draw high pressure side, click on draw.